Okay, my tripod is broken and I cannot fix it, so this video is going to be a bit tilted. Just do this. So I was brainstorming what I'll do in my next video for about 3 days. That is from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, that is 4 days. I uploaded my last video on Monday and then I was just out of ideas of what I'm going to do in my next video. And today is Friday. I'm supposed to upload on Friday and I'm shooting this video because I just had this idea about 5 minutes ago. I don't have much time for any bigger project than this. So I'm going to do this just because I do not want to miss an upload at any cost. So let's see how to take raw photos on Canon 200D. Okay, so first of all, turn on the camera and flip out the screen. Press the menu button, and if you are in any of these options, go to the one with the camera icon on it in red color. And I think Canon does it really well. It color codes all the menu, which makes it really easy to navigate. Now in the camera icon, go to the first menu and press on image quality. And there you have it, all the types of images you can shoot, and you can select raw. And from now on, every picture you take will be in raw. It's that simple. Now let's see what the other raw option is. And if you select L plus raw, your camera will simultaneously take a JPG and a raw image. Okay, this is it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any ideas of what I should do in my next video, or if you want me to cover any specific stuff about cameras, leave them in the comment section down below, and my next video will definitely be about that. See you on Monday. Not gonna miss an upload.